Hi, welcome to Ballet Flowers. My name is Suzanne. I hope you enjoy our content today. Today we are going to look at some seeding that we have done at the end of February. We have some basil and kale, leeks, onions, peppers. The lemon balm is an herb that was also seeded. So some of the items are ready to transplant and some I'm going to wait on. The peppers are a little bit young. The seed capsule is still on there, so I'll wait on those. But the kale, it's ready. So I'm going to take this out of our strip tray. I'm just going to take a portion of it, and I just gradually divide them out, and then the roots will come apart. And I do a little divot and push in my plant. So this is lacinato kale or dinosaur kale, and it is super tasty, especially when you have cool weather. It's more tasty because the cold nights make it, the sugars come out. So I'm gonna just plant those right up, and I push them in where the root meets the shoot, and then it does not damage it. So I push it in gently and then I pinch. But the other way is to do a little divot, push in the roots and pinch. The pinching just makes contact with the roots and the soil and gives it a better success rate when it starts to grow. So I'm going to fill my whole tray. This is called a P32 because there's 32 pots per tray, and each individual pot will form into a nice bigger plant. If you continue to let it grow like this size and let them get a lot bigger, then they're going to be too close together and the roots are going to grow together, and then it's going to be harder to transplant. So you want to get them at about this stage where the first true leaves start to form. And when you see that starting to form, then it's a perfect time to separate them out and plant them up. So this is the lacinato kale, but I could also start to transplant my basil. It's just about ready. It's starting to form the second true leaves on the plant through there. The lemon balm is also starting to form the true leaves, but I might wait just a little bit longer to see if they're going to germinate. So this kind of gets you started if you've seeded some seeds for yourself in your house, and then you can see how they're transplanted. Thanks for watching. Keep up with us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and of course balletflowers.com. Have a great day.